Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good afternoon from Somnath. Somnath is a beautiful little town here in Gujarat, right here on the Arabian Sea. It's most well known for its temples, most notably the temple for Lord Shiva. However, filming and photography are not allowed inside the temple. So today I'm going to show you guys the beach area right outside the temple. So I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Thank you. So this is the main temple right here, Somnath Temple. My hotel is basically just across the street. Unfortunately, I can't film or take pictures inside the temple. They have a very strict no camera policy, so you have to check all your cameras and your phones and everything before you enter. So there's a place over here to check all your stuff, but if you just check all your stuff in your hotel here, then it's a lot easier. I'm not sure what this tower is for, but it's kind of cool. Looks like a giant birdhouse. There are a lot of birds here. Actually, that's probably exactly what it is, because it has holes in it. So, giant birdhouse. There's a lot of pigeons that hang out here in the temple, and these women right here, they sell birdseed. They're not allowed to sell inside, so they sell from the outside. So this is the entry for the Somnath Temple, the main temple. Lines for ladies and gents. Over here is where you put all your bags. Can't take any bags in, can't take any phones in, can't take any cameras in. Although there's a lot of photographers that work here, and you can actually pay to have your photograph taken with their cameras. But the main attraction inside the temple over here is this giant Shiva ling. It's one of the biggest Shiva lings I've ever seen. And actually a couple other Shiva lings that I've seen here in Gujarat, just here in Somnath, were huge compared to what I'm used to seeing. So traffic jam. I've been wanting a new tattoo. Looks like you can get a tattoo just right here on the street. Probably pretty good rates too. I do like a good deal, but discount tattoos isn't on my list, I don't think. What's that? Yeah. Anyway. Anyway. 5 rupees. Oh, nee. Anyway. Beautiful animal. It's got a nice little hat on. So we got the beautiful Arabian Sea, Somnath Temple, Durga Temple, Ram Temple, Panch Pandava Temple, and then around the corner over there we have Gita Temple, where Krishna's soul left his body. I recognize this one as the Ram Temple by the dome they got there. There's this huge dome, and if you stand in the very center of the dome, there's this kind of weird echo effect where it like amplifies the noise if you're talking, and just like comes back to you even louder. What's that?
Photo.
Oh, pick up you guys?
Yeah,
Sure,
bro.
sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Horse name?
My horse's name is Beth. Beth, yeah. It's a girl.
I am Mr. Thangabali.
What is it?
Thangabali, Mr. Thangabali.
Tungabole. Okay. And what's your horse's name?
In YouTube.
What's name?
Mali.
Mali. Okay, nice. Beautiful horse. Well, I made some new friends. I make new friends every day here in India. Pretty nice statue of Lord Hanuman here. Not the biggest I've seen of him, but it is forbidden to climb up onto Lord Hanuman, just so you know. So we got a Nandi. Let's go check out the mandir. Somnath mandir. So when you first enter, there's this golden temple over here, and it's not actually a temple, it's like the security area, but it's a beautiful building. And then this first section of the temple is just the entry area. There's a place in here with a bunch of statues and things, as well as places to donate. And then inside here is the main area where the Shiva Ling is held. And it's a ridiculously huge Shiva Ling, one of the biggest I've ever seen. So that's it, everybody, for my quick tour of Somnath. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.